It is an August hot day and we're having a baseball game in the backyard. At bat is Barrett Rainey.
All right, here you go, Bear. Good hit!
Go, run the bases!
Run! Run, Bear! Home run!
Oh! Oh no, are you out? Go, Bear! Go to home plate!
Bear, go! Go to home plate! Home run!
Yay!
All right.
Bear, you number one? All right, next up at bat, Liam Rainey.
Number one.
All right, put your helmet on.
I don't need a helmet.
Move the helmet. Ready? Finish.
Whoa, run the bases!
Here's another one. Right. Here's another one. Whoa!
Wow! Good job!
That was awesome.
Show us a thumbs up on that one, Liam.